Hi everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you are on your profile page, you will see an option that says Edit Profile just below your bio. Tap on it to enter your profile editing mode. Here, you can see the bio option. Tap on it. Type in the bio you want for your Instagram profile. Be creative and make sure it represents you or your brand. Finally, tap on the done button from the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. And this is how you can add bio on Instagram. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.